Welcome back, students. So in a figure, a car travels 5 km due to east and makes U-turn to travel another 7 km. Okay, so taken whole journey is 0.2 hour. Calculate the average velocity of a car. So we apply the formula in average velocity equal to total displacement divided by total time taken. So from this in a formula onwards we are able to find that. Okay, this is a triangle for you. For recall the relation between the velocity, displacement and time. Okay, so V for velocity, okay, D for displacement and T for time. Okay ma. So how do you find it? It is, look at that. Velocity want to find means D divided by T. Okay, that is displacement divided by time taken. Okay, so next one, time 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 taken we want to need and means displacement divided by velocity. That's only formula it is. Okay, then displacement want to need means we multiply that in a velocity and time taken. Okay ma. So this is the formula. It is easy for you doing this. Calculate the velocity of a car traveling with a uniform velocity covering 100 meter in 4 seconds. So what asking? Velocity asking, and what it is given that car traveling in uniform velocity covering meter it is given. So it is a displacement. So it is a D is given. Then time taken is given. So what do you want to do? We want to find means that is V equal to D by T. So formula alone you write it. So you have to apply means that is in 100 divided by 4. So what's the answer it is? That is 2 balance 2, that is in a totally it is coming as in a 5 times. So 25 times. So what is that in a velocity? Meter per second. Meter per second. Likewise want to write. Okay. So likewise you have to apply this formula. Usain Bolt covers 100 meter in 9.58 seconds. Calculate his speed. Speed has to calculate. Usain Bolt completes the cheetah which is running at a speed 30 meter per second. Who will be the winner? ஸோ ரெண்டு பேரையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா சீட்டாவோட ஸ்பீட் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, ரெண்டு பேரையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணோம், இவரோடது கம்பேர் பண்ணால் who is the winner is asking. Find the speed and find that in a velocity. After you have to who is that in a winner likewise want to find. Okay, so next one, you are walking along east direction covering a distance of 4 meter, then 2 meter towards the south, then 4 meter towards the west, and at last 2 meter towards north. Okay, so total velocity want to average velocity want to find it is for that. Okay, time taken. So to average velocity want to find this case. Okay, so next one that is a acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but in a rate of change of velocity. Okay, average acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Velocity having in a changes in a particular time taken, that is only it is. You see that here car is moving at particular distance up to 20 meter per second. Here 30 meter per second it is moving afterwards. Okay, change in speed, that is. Okay, so here change in direction. So direction it is having changes means that is we called a velocity. This is the speed, this is a velocity. So here both it is having in a changes. Okay, both it is having in a changes. This is we called a acceleration. Okay ma. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. So velocity how you want to find? Final value that is we mention as in a v initial final velocity minus initial velocity time taken. After we are doing a sum, it is possible to say as in a very clear manner it is. So a equal to a, it is acceleration, it is mentioned as in a small letter a equal to v minus u by t. So put the box it is, because in a higher class it is a important formula. It is a equal to v minus u by t. So this alone you have to know now, it's not enough. A is what, v is what, u is what, t is what, that also you want to know. A for acceleration, v for final velocity, u for initial velocity, then t for time taken. Likewise we want to know that. So example sum also it is given. Car at rest starts travel in a straight line path. Okay, rest onwards it is started, it reaches the velocity 12 meter per second. Okay, so in 4 seconds, what's it's a acceleration. So initial velocity u equal to 0, because starting it is in a rest, meter per second, unit is a important thing. Then final velocity is a 12 meter per final velocity v, it is given as in a 12 meter per second. So total time taken t, we have 4 seconds. So we are applied that in formula v minus u by t. V is a final velocity, u is the initial velocity, initial means starting, then t for time taken. So we apply that in a value it is, so it is in a 0. So 12 by 4, so we divide means, that is we are getting that in a 3 meter per second. Okay, so read it, it is how cheetah is brisk. Okay, so next one, two types of acceleration there, positive acceleration, negative acceleration. So among that, before entering into that, we have to find that in a one train acceleration activity for you. Okay, so one train, look at in your book, page number is 19. One train is traveling in a it start from a point onwards, 0 meter per second, 0 seconds. Okay, that is a starting point. Okay, after 10 seconds it reaching the acceleration 6 meter per second in a b. Okay, it is taken a time as in interval as in a uniform manner. Okay ma, so this and that is in a 6 meter per second. The next one is a C point, it is in a 40 meter per second. The same, it is in a 10 seconds once the what it is acceleration is calculated. The likewise 30 seconds it is in a 14 meters per second. Then 40 seconds it is a 6 meter per second. Then 50 seconds it is in a 2 meter per second. So how do you calculate? Look at that. One example it is given to you, the distance traveled by a train a minus b, a to b. Okay, it is not a minus b, a to b, it is traveling a distance. First initial velocity is a 0, final velocity is a 6, it is given. Likewise change in velocity v minus u, that is v is a 6 minus 0. Okay, then 6 minus 0, it is a 6 only. Time taken, it is in a 10, because it is in a 10 seconds it is there in between the time taken. So we find that in a v minus u already we are find 6 by 10, that is in a 0.2. So likewise you have to find a b to c. B to c means what it is. B to c, 6 is the initial, 14 is the final. Okay, 6 is the initial, 14 is the final value to you. And here it is a change in velocity. What is the change in velocity? We subtract 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay, so 8 it is taken. So time interval, what is the time interval we are taken? 10 seconds only. So because it is in a 10 seconds only, 20 minus 10, it is a time taken 10 only. So we are adding 0.8. Okay, divide means we are getting the value it is. Likewise we are find that means initial velocity, final velocity, both it is a c and d, it is in a 14 only, 0. Then time taken 10, it is also 0. Okay, that is DE. How we are able to find the initial velocity is DE, initial velocity is 14, final velocity is 6. So for it is getting the value as -8, because this is one final velocity 1 to write in a first, 14 only want to write in a second, so it is getting a value minus, so -8, then 10 we are getting a -0.8. okay ma. So what happened means the acceleration is reduced. okay நம்ம பார்த்தோனே தெரியும் இதுக்கும் reduce ஆகுது அப்படினு. So final velocity is reduced. So likewise here it is increased, here it is reduced. So that only it is given. It is now we enter into that in a topic, positive acceleration, negative acceleration. So positive acceleration means if the velocity of object increases with respect to time, okay, the object is said to be a positive velocity. You see that first two it is in a positive velocity because it is in a positive in symbol. okay, so next one is the negative acceleration or deceleration or retardation. All that one it is in a meaning wise same only. The velocity of the object decreases respect to time, the object is said to be a negative acceleration. okay, so that is in a here example one it is given. For starting it is having in a 8, finally it is having as in 2. It is reduced that in a acceleration. So what it is mentioned, it is a negative acceleration. What are the negative acceleration here? That is here it is 2, it is given as in a negative acceleration. This is a negative acceleration, this is a positive acceleration. okay ma. Then the formula it is given for you, the same it is here, the same manner negative acceleration, and the last two how we did likewise it is also you have to follow. Then uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration means there is no increase, the object undergoes uniform acceleration when the change increase or decrease in its velocity for every unit of time is the same. You see that here and here also it is having as in a same acceleration, that is we called as in a uniform acceleration. The non-uniform acceleration means the acceleration it's having in a changes. okay, so see that here the table it is explained to you. Velocity meter per second, velocity meter per second, time taken first second, second, third second, fourth second, fifth second. Likewise it is in a second it is given. So 20 plus 20, 40 plus 20, 60 plus 20, 80 plus 20, 100 plus 20. So what it is mentioned means average manner, in a same manner it is increased that in a velocity, that is a uniform velocity. Then velocity meter per second, 100 minus 20, 80 minus 20, 60 minus 20, 40 minus 20, 20 minus 20. In a uniform manner it is decreased though, so that is a deceleration. So acceleration, that is a uniform manner increase means that is a positive acceleration. Uniform manner increase means that is a positive acceleration. Uniform manner decrease means that is a negative acceleration. okay, non-uniform acceleration means what na? That is look at that, object undergoes non-uniform acceleration means velocity having in a changes. okay, so you look at that 10, 40, 60, 70, 10. okay, so here 10 is there, in between that in a velocity changes 30, in between that in a velocity changes 20, in between the velocity changes 10, in between the velocity changes 20. So increased that in a changes, 10 is increased, 30 is increased, 20 is increased, 10 is increased, 20 is it is not undergo that in a uniform acceleration. okay, so this is we called as a non-uniform acceleration. okay ma. Changes is not having as in a same for every second. okay,